Husky Building Company. How are you doing? Mr. V here in the shop taking care of our kitchen wall build. We are at the 5th and final work order, which is taking and putting the final electrical components into our junction boxes, installing our LED can light or down light, testing the whole system, and then trimming it out with all of our cover plates and putting it all back together, making it ready for final inspection. Okay, so we've got all of our items laid out here. You can see here we've got combinations of diagrams, cover plates, jumper wires, switches, plugs, and the connectors that we are going to be using for this particular work order. Okay, so materials are ready to go. What I want to do in this for you is simply let you watch the process in high speed, not real time, so that you can at least get the combinations of what I'm going to be working here. And then the most important reveal is I'm going to plug the electrical current in and we'll test it together and make sure that it works so that we can final this and put it all together. All right, Huskies, are you ready? Let's do this thing. We're going to start right here with our first double gang box, which is going to have our main power coming in. It has one switch and one plug. It has approximately 14 different connections that go on in this one little box. That is what this diagram's all about. So I'm going to be following it, doing it. You're going to watch it in time lapse. Let's do it. All right, Huskies, here we go. We got everything wired. Next step is to energize the system, AKA add some electricity to our main line coming into our J-box here. And we're gonna test all of our circuits before we actually put the cover plates and finish up. If there's any issues, we can then pull it out and make adjustments. But this little tool right here is what we're gonna be using to test our receptacles. If we get 2 orange, we're thumbs up. Everything is good. Ground is good, main line is good. So we're looking for 2 orange for our receptacle here and our receptacle down underneath the counter. And then switch on, switch off. That will take care of, see if we power up our little LED light. Also the second switch here, we're gonna test to make sure it's running the on and off for that receptacle so that garbage disposal can be controlled above the counter. All right, let's cut into a little closer shot here and see if everything's working. All right, here we go. We're gonna take main electrical in. We know we've got amber light here, so we got power to our extension cord. We're gonna take the extension cord into our wall plate and in we go. So right now everything has electricity flowing to it. We've got to make sure we're extremely careful. We've got some exposed wires here, but if we handle it carefully, in other words, I'm only gonna be touching the top section. I'm gonna take our tester and we're looking for 2 amber lights. Let's see what happens. There they are, 2 amber lights. We are golden. All right, now we're gonna take it and put it in this bottom receptacle here. And then no lights, that is good, because when I flip this on, watch for the light right there. Bam, light on, light off. Okay, excellent, we're 2 for 2, all is good. Let's switch around and we're gonna check electricity flow into the light. If it's good to go, we can go ahead and put these in, cover plate, we're golden. All right, here we go, last test. Switch to control our ceiling task light coming down. 3, 2, 1, bam. Super good. All right, everything tests out accurate. Now we're gonna go ahead and put cover plates on and we are done and ready to enjoy. We are complete. Everything is trimmed out, looking beautiful. We're going to do one more electrical test because you never know when you start pushing wires back into the J boxes and tightening things down. Sometimes things come loose, which means you'd have to pull it out. But let's try it one more time. Electricity going in. Receptacle says 2 orange is good. Down here, switch on, 2 orange, switch off. Excellent. Last but not least, let there be light. Bam! All right, Husky Building Company, there it is. This is what we should have built together if this whole COVID thing didn't hit. But I am just hopeful that we were able to stay together on this, and now you can see the completed project. Maybe someday in the future, you can come back and I will teach you the rest of what's going on here. But in the meantime, we have completed. We have come to the end of our section. And so work order number 5, complete. Kitchen wall build, complete. Great work. Good job.